Yo, what's up, guys? You guys are about to watch me live trade with my platinum tier group. And in this trade, I ended up taking in $4,200. So today I'm up about $6,000 with the Discord group, the platinum tier group that I live trade with. Let me show you guys how I run it. It's pretty crazy how I run it. Like today is a very good day so far. I took in 4,200, 1,600, and another 500 over there, putting me up at 6K today. Every time I'm about to take a trade, I live stream. I announce, let's live stream and trade bio again. So I always talk about the positions that I get in. So I'm gonna let two more people join. Okay, guys, two more people can join. It's for a 6-month subscription. It's $2,500. It's costly. It really is, but it's limited to only 110 people about in the group. So it's highly exclusive. Okay, so it's gonna be $2,500 for 6 months. If you decide to renew it again one more time, you then get a lifetime membership instead. So let's get it, guys. I'm on vacation till about August the 15th. And then after that, I plan to trade full time till the very end of this bull market and not miss a single day. Let's get it, guys. I hope to see the last 2 people join my group. Let's get it. So for those that are joining, this was a very solid trade to take. It pretty much made 5 waves. 5 very clear waves. It's what I specialize in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up there. I can't really make sense of this last structure. So I'm going to guess the 4 begins there and the 5 ends there. Just like that. This is basically an super weird ABC kind of wave. Like an A, B, and a C. Because the B makes A, B, C into 3s. So I'm going to guess it ends there. And I'm going to guess that this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that's beginning. 1, maybe a 2, and this is going to be a 3. That's what I'm wanting to happen. I mean, we got bearishly diverging signs across the board. So this didn't actually break yet. See the 30-minute? It didn't break yet. Or sorry, the 15-minute higher low RSI. It didn't quite break down yet. It's fighting it, right? It's fighting it right now. It didn't break it yet. So it's kind of recovering. RSI is trying to stay put right now for the 15-minute. But once this pattern breaks and it gets to like these ranges of the RSI, it'll indicate that strength has been severely lost. And there's a high chance that it's going to go parabolically down. So now the 10-minute is about to cross over for MACD in 3 minutes. The 8-minute is now crossed over already. So it's also got all of the structures where these ones are lower than these ones. So that's a good sign for MACD, right? And also on the higher time frames are the same, lower than the previous one. That is the definition of bearishly diverging. So now I think it's going to be a matter of patience. The first target is probably going to be where this white line is, right around there. I think it's also going to coincide pretty much exactly with the kernel, if it gets there. This is going to be a little bit of a slower draw. So it makes a lower high for now. See the lower high? I wiped out all of my profits. I'm in a 150K short. I was up $3,000. Now I'm up nothing. But sometimes you got to be able to withstand that, right? You have to withstand the volatility. It might even slowly stall. It might even get back up to 102 ranges. So 102 is very important. This has got a resistance all the way dating back to March. So this is literally a very long time running resistance of 135 days or so, 4.5 months. So I like the structure of everything and how it's looking. Now it's just time to relax. Calm yourself, take a breath, take a deep breath, relax. You're in a position and let's go. Really testing my patience though, I have to admit. It's making this kind of pattern right here. Kinda. Any other patterns that are very visible? Not really. Maybe this higher low, but that's stretching it. My entry is pretty shitty. I could have got a better entry at the top, but I didn't. I waited for stupidity. I wasn't confident enough to enter. I was scared. I'm thinking of reducing my position even right now. Candle-wise, I mean, it recovered on the 15 minutes significantly on the RSI. As you can see, it recovered very significantly. So because of that, it makes me now wonder if it's a good position to be in, right? Because we recovered on the RSI. It did break down temporarily, but then it broke back upwards. It recovered. So because of that, I don't like the position that I'm in at all. It's a position against me now. Makes me wonder if it's even going to drop, considering the RSI gained a tremendous amount of strength, right? So it's kind of like it needs to curve back down. Honestly, the momentum needs to continue. Anything visible here? Nothing really. RSI, higher lows. There we go. RSI's probably corrected a little bit now. There we go. It's kind of coming back down a little bit. Not really, actually. RSI's going up. I don't like that. Makes me very, very nervous. I don't like being nervous when I trade. Look at this one's parabolically going up now. Fuck me. Let's see if it's gonna make a lower high here. Let's see if this is the lower high. See what I mean? I'm being too generous like that. I'm gonna go like wick to wick almost. Down 1,000 now. Oh, that's a good correction. All right, lower high. That's probably the lower high right there. RSI just broke. See that? That drop right there just fucked up the RSI on the 30-minute. There we go. There we go. It's dropping. Boom. Boom, guys. Boom, guys. $5,000, $6,000. I just made 6K. That dropped hard, bro. You guys didn't see it. I took my profit on my phone. But trust me, when I follow RSI like that, and I see it drop, guys, you guys know me, man. I fucking nailed it. Fucking nailed it, man. I took that profit blind just by following RSI, guys. That's how fucking good I am. I don't even need to look at charts, bro. Sometimes I just look at the RSI. You guys understand that? I recorded this whole video for you guys to watch again. Look how fast that shit was, man. Today I'm up $6,200. Man, don't ever mistake that for luck. You know what I mean? I told you guys that as soon as that RSI breaks, it's gonna fucking smash down. And look what it did. It fucking smashed down like crazy. And I took it. I don't stay in, right? Why would I want to stay in? I'm up 5 grand. And then it spikes back up 6%, right? Like, fuck that. I'm not gonna take any risk, bro. There's no way I'm gonna take on any risk. That's it, man. That was a fucking solid trade. Damn, guys. All right, I am done for the day. You guys are welcome. I will upload this for you guys to rewatch. And it's all about speed and precision, right, guys? Speed, precision, timing. I'm telling you, this RSI strategy of mine, people don't use it much. I look for the right time frame that has a pattern, right? And I'm so crazy that I put alerts, right, guys? You guys see that what I did earlier? I put alerts on the RSI, so when it breaks the pattern, I know it. And that's how I saw it drop, and that's how I took my profit blind, right? I didn't even go to Binance here. I literally closed my profit on the phone blind. That was crazy. Bam, let's go, man. I'm out. I'm done for the day, boys. Take it easy.